Today, we are diving into Admin Optimizer's SEO Manager module. Usually, setting up solid search optimization means installing heavy, traditional SEO plugins like Yoast or Rank Math, which often add unnecessary database bloat and slow down your site. Admin Optimizer changes the game by building professional-grade SEO tools directly into your existing optimization suite, focusing strictly on what actually moves the needle. Best of all, if you're already using another plugin, its built-in migrator will automatically pull over all of your titles, descriptions, and focus keywords from platforms like Yoast, Rank Math, SEO Press, etc., without losing a single character of data. When you open the Admin Optimizer SEO Manager, the SEO Health section is the first you'll see. Here, at the top, you get an instant score out of 100. The SEO Manager starts your site with a perfect 100-point baseline, deducting 20 points for each critical issue and 8 points for every warning. Think of this screen as your interactive SEO to-do list, automatically categorizing your site's health so you know exactly what to prioritize. As you scroll down, you'll see exactly what is holding your score back, flagged with a yellow warning. To fix these issues, you don't have to hunt through separate WordPress configurations. Admin Optimizer provides direct shortcut buttons, like Edit Homepage or Open Schema Settings, so you can jump straight to the source and fix the issue instantly. Once you've cleared out your warnings, click the Refresh SEO Health button at the top. This will clear the cache, rerun the audit, and you'll see your score climb back up. Next, switch to the General tab to adjust core SEO settings. While the SEO Health tab acts as your doctor, this section is your automated SEO safety net, establishing site-wide rules so your foundational SEO runs perfectly on autopilot. Here, under default no-index rules, you can instantly block search engines from indexing low-value pages such as 404 errors or archives, keeping your Google presence clean. Further below that, you can manage title settings to set up dynamic templates for your titles and descriptions using placeholders. If you don't manually write SEO text for a new post, these global templates automatically step in and format it for you. Finally, at the bottom, you can upload global fallback images for Facebook and X, so your shared links never look broken. You can also toggle the built-in AI settings here. This connects directly to your preferred AI models, whether that's OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or OpenRouter, allowing you to generate fully optimized titles, meta descriptions within character limits, and keyword suggestions with a single click. Configure this once, and your baseline setup is covered. Once enabled, these AI features are ready to use directly under individual posts in the SEO settings section. Here, simply click Generate SEO Suggestions. Utilizing the AI Connectors module, the system taps into your configured AI engine to analyze your text on the fly and generate relevant metadata. It instantly finds the ideal focus keyword and automatically checks it against your content to guarantee your post is structurally optimized for search bots. Right below that, you'll see it has populated a tailored meta title and meta description, fully optimized within recommended character limits. Just review the suggestions, update your post, and you are ready to publish. Now, let's move over to the Schema tab. If the other sections are about how your site reads, this section is your site's digital identity card, translating who you are into structured code so search engines can easily understand your business. Right here at the top, you'll choose your organization type, input your official brand name, and upload your official logo. This ensures Google displays the correct branding assets and identity cards directly in search panels. Further below, you'll see a massive list of social profile fields. By pasting your official Facebook, X, or YouTube links here, you are hard-coding a digital map that connects your entire social ecosystem to your primary website for Google's knowledge graph. At the very bottom, local brick-and-mortar shops can fill out physical address blocks to give their local map rankings a massive boost. Best of all, this system automatically outputs valid JSON-LD structured data based on your content types, automatically giving blog posts article schema and standard pages web page schema with zero coding required. Just turn on article schema at the end, hit Save Changes, and your rich snippets are locked in. Lastly, let's look at the SEO Modules tab. This serves as your quick access hub for other powerful, specialized modules that are built natively to work alongside your core SEO manager with zero plugin conflicts. You'll find essential add-ons that you can activate or manage with a single click, including Robots.txt and Ads.txt Manager for editing indexing rules and crawler directives directly from your dashboard, XML, Sitemap, and Google News Sitemap for publishing clean, automated sitemap URLs directly to search engines, Block Post Modified Date for controlling content, freshness signals, and protecting your editorial timelines, and the Redirect Manager for creating 301 redirects and monitoring 404 errors during an SEO cleanup. Simply click Activate Module to turn a feature on or open settings to customize it. And that is how Admin Optimizer handles your search presence from top to bottom. By consolidating your audits, global rules, rich schema data, and technical utilities into one lightweight interface, you get a significantly faster website and professional optimization without the headache of managing separate, bloated legacy plugins. Everything you need to rank higher is built right here under one roof, and you can switch from your old tool today without losing a single tag of data.